Hello everybody, in this video I want to talk about Solana and SOL token and talk about price prediction by 2025 and going forward, and show you my analysis I made comparing Solana fully diluted market cap with tech companies largest by market cap at the moment. I compared top 30 list with Solana fully diluted market cap, and also looked at proposed inflation rate and took it also in consideration. And yeah, I want to show you step by step how I did it, and maybe it also makes sense for you. So first of all, why we can compare tech companies and like Web3 projects. First of all, even if you look to the market cap of the price cycle of Solana, I did the screenshot, you could see that it is November 2021 and the market cap already $78 billion for Solana. And as of today, of course, looking to tech companies list, you could see that this is pretty good market cap for top 50 tech companies at the moment. And in this case, it is the first reason why it's comparable. The second one, yeah, Web3 here to stay, and I'm pretty sure like until the end of this decade, in the 5-7 years, we will see at least 3-5 projects in the top 30 list. For my opinion, it could be Link, Solana, any others. Yeah, we would see which specific projects will be leading Web3 market. So, and what I actually did, so you could see the current market cap and fully diluted market cap, which is taken in consideration the total supply possible. And yeah, what I did at first, I compared the market cap of each of those first 30 tech companies and fully diluted market cap, and it is times more of those projects and Solana. So for example, this company Uber is 3.5 times more than Solana. And all those 30 projects at average 16 times more than Solana if we take average, and if we take medium, it is only 6 times more. Medium excludes all huge crazy numbers and all small numbers, for example like Apple and Microsoft are excluded. And considering that we did calculations with fully diluted market cap and supply number doesn't change, we could say that price will be increased by 16 times and by 6 times as well accordingly compared to the current price. And in this case it will be almost 1K for average and $40 for medium. I did yeah like the mid number for this, and in this case it could be almost $700, which for me personally it's very realistic and very doable, honestly. And I think we will see this in the upcoming 5 years. But also, as it's not proof of work, it is proof of stake token, and we could expect some inflation later on, even when all the vesting schedule is done. Even after this it will be some inflation, and we should also consider this. But you could see that, okay, first of all, it's proposed schedule, we don't know what's going to happen, but at average it is yeah, they proposed like 1.5%, and initially it 8, and I was not like that optimistic. I put 5 and 10, and if we considering like this, and each time we will see the price decrease due to the large supply, even in this case, if it will take very long time, and it's just very pessimistic way to calculate this, even in this case we will see the prices of 400, 300 something at yeah, like in medium it will be $423, which is yeah, also doable and a very likely scenario for Solana. And yeah, let me know what you think and what exactly you are expecting from Solana by 2025 or later on. Yeah, thanks guys for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.